Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It is day 10 of Vlogmas, and today is a bit more of a lazier one because we had a really late night out last night. Me and some of my friends from the choir and my friend Isaac. So we had a really late night out last night. Yeah, like in today's video. So we've decided to stay at home tonight. I'm going to head back to Leeds tomorrow, but check this out. You might not be able to see it properly, but every year we get people on motorbikes that go past our house with festive lights on, in festive gear. It's pretty cool actually. And I just said to Isaac, welcome to Barnsley. This is Barnsley, look at some of these lights. Oh, that one's festive, isn't it? Crazy. Crackers. Holy mad. Absolutely mad. I can't even properly, but absolutely mad. How many of them is there? Oh, no, there must be hundreds of them. Oh, I don't think there's ever been as many as this before. Man, what? Look at that one. Mental, absolutely mental. Hang on. Blimey. Could take a while for them to get off street, innit? I'm trying to break a record or something. It must be over 100. Sure, there must be up to 50. Blimey, bit of music. And then Happy New Year. Happy Yorkshire, blimey. How many more are we going to get? This video is only 2 minutes long. Crikey. Now they've all gone. Blimey, that were long. Blimey, bye. Okay, that was something. So it's just me and Isaac in the house tonight. And I'll show you what Isaac, because I always talk about Isaac, and we never see Isaac. Well, I think we might have seen Isaac one now. Never seen Isaac on YouTube. So there we go. So there's Isaac. Now we've seen Isaac.
Hello.
There we go. Vlogmas completed. So that's it for today. Haven't done much, just pottered around the house. Going to turn everything off and then head to bed. I just take in my room. I'm on the settee, which I don't mind. And I'll see you in the morning. Another day done. See you later.